Hi friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial I will teach how to delete a multiple rows in DataGridView. So first of all, I am adding a one form, Windows form, new item. I have already a project called record project. Inside a record project I am choosing the Windows form and I rename the form name to delete multi row. This is my form name. Just and click add. Inside the form name I am just adding one grid view here. So just I am choosing the toolbox. So inside the toolbox I am go to the command controls. Just I am going to the data tab. Inside the data table I am adding one grid view here. Just I am adding the grid view. So I am expanding the grid view here. Okay, now I am trying to add some details here. Okay, first of all I click adding column. So I am choosing here to checkbox column here. Select and click add. After that I need to add code number. This is text box column. After that I am adding name and age and amount. I am adding 5 columns and close. After that I am going to edit columns. Here I am choosing the name and go to the auto size column mode and just set fill, because once I set the fill it will be in this name column will be expand up to grid view sizes. Okay, now you look like is very nice. Okay, now I need to view the one I click the one button. I need to show the records in grid view. So just right click, go to properties. Here I am typing show and copy same button and paste it. Go to the properties. Here delete. Okay, now double click this show button. Go to designer. One more thing you have to do, so select this grid view and go to this, click this icon. You have to choose, click uncheck the enable adding button, so it will automatically remove this column. Now I am saving the project. Now double click the show button. Here I am writing using system dot data using system dot data dot SQL client. I am choosing SQL client here. Now we have to write SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection. Here I am typing the connection string of my database. So I am clicking the, so first of all I am teach how to connect the database and also, so go to view and click server explore. Inside a server explore just you have to click right click this data connection and click add connection. Here I am choosing put dot, or else you have to put your server name, and here I am choosing the database. Here I am choosing the database called marketing world, because I am in this marketing world I already created some tables, so I am choosing that table right now. So it will coming the marketing world table. Now I am click expand and click expand. So I am using this table, customer app table. Right now I am using customer app table. Okay, now I need to put the connection string here, so right click this database and go to the properties for this database. Loading. Here go to the properties. Now you will get the connection string here. Just copy, Ctrl A and Ctrl C, just paste it here. Paste it here. Okay, now I will use this customer app table, but this is my original live table, so I need to copy this table to another name. After that I'm trying to delete those things. I have the 4343 records right now. This is a live table, so how to copy this table? This tutorial I will teach many things I think. So go to the new query and select the customer application table, click add. Now you have to put the star here. I am typing the into customer. So select star into customer from customer app. Now just I am executing the project. So executed. Now you will refresh this table. So I have to find right now. I have one more copy of this customer application table. This is customer. Now it table automatically created, as well also it will copy all this 4000 something record, 4343 record also copied from this table. Okay, now I am trying to use this table. Okay, first of all in button click, so SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. Here I am just put the SQL query, select star from customer, select star from customer. Just I am putting the select star from customer and comma connection string name COM. Now data table DT equal to new data table. Here SDA dot fill DT. Now I am using the for each statement to fill this record into my grid view. Okay, so go to insert recipient. Here I am choosing go to insert recipient, and here click Visual C#. Here for each, so select the for each and press enter. So it will create the syntax for you. In the syntax I am using data row item, here data table name dd dot rows. So it will the loop from row by row. Here I need to add int n equal to DataGridView 1 dot rows dot add. So I'm calling the index. I'm storing. I'm adding the row from DataGridView, as well as I'm calling this row index. Store the row index to integer n. Now first row. Okay. DataGridView 1 dot rows n dot cells 0. So 0 is a checkbox, right? So I am using 1 right now. Value equal to customer code. I need to call the customer code. So this is my customer code. So item series underscore code to string. Likewise, I'm copying those records. And 2, 3 and 4. Customer name. Now I'm copying the customer name. Go to properties, just copy this name and paste it. Customer name and age and amount, right? Amount is I'm stored here mode value. So just copy this code and paste it and save it. Now I am executing the project. Sorry. So this is my project. Delete multi-row. So I need to change the starting this project. So delete multi-row. I'm changing this starting project, default project. Now I am executing the project. So I am getting our form, and now I am clicking the show button. So I am getting those records. So 4,353 records right now I have. Like that, this is customer code and customer name and age and amount. Okay. Now I need to select these 3 records and click delete. Then I need to delete those selected records. This is my requirement right now. Okay. So click stop. So click delete button. Here I will show 2 methods. Here I will show 2 methods. First of all, I need to add one more thing. Copy those records and cell 0. By default value I will set false. Now I am running the project. Click show button. So it's nothing will happen here. Now I am writing the code. Same thing, just I am copying this syntax here and paste it here. Data grid view row. Before that I am using data row. Here I am using data grid view row. Same item. Here I am changing the DataGridView 1.rows. DataGridView 1.rows. Now it will be loop like every row. Now I need to throw if I am writing the code, if item dot 0 item dot cell 0 dot value. Here bool dot raise. So I am changing the this item to be boolean value. So once I tick the checkbox, it will be stored here. So to string. So it will be true. Once it's true, then it will come here, or else it will be not coming. So I'm just it's working or not, I'm checking right now. So I'm using message box dot show selected rows plus copy and paste dot row index to string. So put the save button and click run button. Click show here. So it will show, and select 1 and 2. So its index is 0 and 1 and 2. So click delete button. So I selected row is 0 and selected row is 2. So now the thing is, we are selecting these 2 row, it automatically detect it. Okay. The main thing is, here you need to set the default value is false, then only it's work, otherwise it will throw the exception. Okay. Now here I am writing delete query. Okay. So SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command. Here I am writing the delete query. Delete from customer where cus_code equal to single quote, double quote, plus. Here I am just copying this. Here I am changing the value should 1, value to string. so I'm changing the little bit higher for your convenient. I minimize those records. So I'm returning the query. Select cmd new SQL command. Here I'm writing delete from customer, where customer code equal to item dot cell dot one dot value. Here I'm putting the con. The one more thing here to should do using this command, SQL command, using SQL adapter, you no need to set the connection open and close, because SQL adapter automatically open and close the SQL connections. So here using SQL command, then you have to open connection and connection dot close. So you have to use those things. Here I am writing here cmd dot execute non-query. I am using the execute non-query. So develop this kind of things. So I return the query. After this for each loop, I am writing the message box. So just I am cut this message box button. Here I am pasting. Here I am typing successfully deleted. Successfully deleted. Now I am executing the project and click the show button. Here I am choosing these two records. You have to see this is Bharati Dasan name is and Anita this is, so two record, and click delete. So successfully deleted. Now I am click the show button once again. Oh, one more thing I forget it. Using this show button it will automatically multiple the record, so I need to clear those records first. So here I am choosing DataGridView one dot rows dot clear. So here to use clear method. Now I am running the project and click show. It will showing the record. So you have to see it will delete it. Once again I will delete this M Suresh name and R Kumar. Now I am click deleted and click once again and click the show button. So the Kumar and Suresh is deleted. Now I am deleting this 23 record. I am deleted successful and click show. So 23 record is successfully deleted. Okay guys, we will meet on next best tutorial. Bye, see you later.